Hello, woof-woof everyone, Taigan Azawakh here. Welcome to my second video tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to make a Mother's Day special pet rock for your mothers or grandmothers or aunts out there. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need a regular rock. You could either buy one from your local store, Dollar Tree, Michael's, Family Dollar, or you could choose a rock outside of your choosing. You're going to need scissors, a brush, or a comb. After you glue on the hair, you get to style the hair in whichever style you like. E6000 glue, a black sharpie marker, either pink or red felt for the lips. It all depends on whichever color suits the pet rock. And fur felt for an older pet rock, a salt and pepper type of fur, or a young one, jet black. It's your choosing. And also, you're going to need medium-sized pom-pom balls for the earrings and googly eyes that you could purchase at Michael's, Dollar Tree, or Family Dollar. All right, let's get started. This one is an older pet rock that I have done for my grandmother. I already glued on the fur hair and the eyes and the lips. Now we're going to set her to the side, and now I'm going to do this little young one. So, starting by taking off her lips, then her eyes, and we're going to start by gluing on her hair first. Now, for the fur felt, you take the scissors and you measure them and you cut around in a circle, and you have to keep measuring until it fits the cranium of the rock. Once you finish cutting it, it's nice and round. You take your E6000 glue and you glue the base and then position it onto the scalp of your rock. Now, let's get started. Put the top back on the glue. Sit the glue right there. All right, take the pet rock and then position the hair onto the cranium. And take your time while you're doing this. Don't rush. There's no need to rush. And then you take your fingers and then you press it down so it can be secure to the cranium as it will begin drying. All right. And there's step number one. You glued on the hair onto your pet rock. All right. Step number two, the eyes. There's one. All right. Here is the second one. All right. End of step number 2. Moving on to step number 3. Trying to get the eyes good and secure. Step number 3, the lips. I apologize for working behind the scenes, everyone, but here is the end of step number 3, the lips. All right. Step number 4, earrings. Either you want to put them on your pet rock, it's your choice, but I decided to put earrings on this little one, considering that she's a young one. And what you do, you glue it on the base of the pom pom and then stick it on the side of the pet rock's face. And it would be like that. And you would have to press down on it so it could be secure. All right, that's the first earring. Now we're moving on to the second earring. They is so cute. All right, repeat the steps just like we did with the first earring. And it doesn't really take that long to, hold them against the pet rock's face. It'll probably take about 3 minutes because the glue that I'm using for this project is fast drying. All right, and here are the finished results. Isn't that beautiful? And as you can see, as we brought this pet rock together, you could tell that she's taking on her own personality and she's ready to live a beautiful thing that we have in this world called life. All right, to add accessories to your pet rocks for Mother's Day, you can add anything that you like, which is stuffed animals, candy, anything that you like just to jazz up the gifts to give to your mothers, grandmothers, or aunts on Mother's Day. It's your choice. What I'm using to add to the gifts right here to give to my mother and my grandmother are teddy bears. I think that one would go good with my grandmother's one, considering the fact that it has a pink ribbon and pink is the theme for her. And this one could go with this one for my mother. And that's it. That's all you have to do for this project. I hope that your mothers, grandmothers, aunts, foster mothers, or any mothers that has a relationship with you in general will love these pet rock project characters as much as you do creating them. All right, that's it for this video tutorial. I will see you all very soon in the next video tutorial. Bye bye. Have a blessed day and happy Mother's Day to everyone.